Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lauren. So if you all want to see how I got these super bomb defined curls, then keep watching this video. And if you see my previous video, then you know what the product is. So yeah, keep watching. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a wash day. I'm going to do a voiceover. I'm only talking now, so I can talk. It's been a minute since I filmed, and I just want to say, hey, what's up? So let's just get into this voiceover and do my hair. Okay, y'all, so if you watched my last video, and if you haven't, it will be linked up above and down below, then you would have seen that I received this Influencer Vox box from Influencer. It's the SheaMoisture Wash and Go box, and this is what came in it, the card and the product, and this will be my product that I'm testing out today. So this product is the SheaMoisture Coconut Custard Make It Last Wash and Go Curl Primer. And I will be pairing this moisturizing curl activated cream by Cantu with this curl primer. So first things first, I'm going to thoroughly saturate my hair with water before getting into detangling and adding any products. So after that, I'm going to take my paddle brush and detangle my hair. And remember, you always do it ends to roots. Now I'm going to just quickly repeat those 2 steps on the other side of my hair. Okay, so now I'm going to take my comb and go ahead and part my hair. For this wash and go, I opted for a side part. Nothing too fancy, just a simple side part. Okay, so now it's time to use this curl primer by SheaMoisture. So as you can see right now, I'm smelling it. I'm showing y'all the consistency. The smell is very light. This product is made with coconut butter and plant peptides. Now I don't know what coconut butter just smell like, but based on how light the scent is, I would say it smells like that most likely. And then the consistency was very thick but not too thick. It was just a good overall consistency. It's good for every hair type. So you have looser curls like mine, or curls that get weighed down easily, you would just use less product. And if you have thicker hair, you'll use more product. It's just really good for both hair types. This product is a detangle and prep, so you will use it, before your styler. You will use it as a leave-in, and that's pretty much what I'm doing in this video. Now, I can't really say much on how it detangled and prepped my hair, in the sense that my hair was already detangled and prepped before I used it, but I did really like this product. It added a lot of shine to my hair, and it was just a good product overall. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and take this curl activated cream and apply this to my hair. I'm using this because this is a product that I know my hair will always turn out good with, no matter what I pair it with. As you can see, I'm also showing you the consistency of this product. I'm showing it to you to kind of compare it to the other one. It's very similar in consistency, except this one is a little bit more heavier and a slightly thicker. Now, what I will say, it's a good thing I paired it with this product, because if you was to use the primer as like the only product, it's a very light product. Even though it's like a thicker consistency, it's a light product in the sense that it doesn't have much hold. So if you're a wash and go girl who likes to use gel, then you will be good. But I would not suggest just using the primer on its own. You have to pair it with something. Even in the wash and go line, SheaMoisture has a gel oil to go with it, because the primer by itself does not have enough hold. So Basically what I'm saying is just make sure you pair it with something. Now I'm going to take my oil mix to seal in the moisture all over my hair. This is something that I always do no matter what style I do. I just thoroughly believe in sealing in your moisture. Thing I've noticed is that my hair can be really flat and stuck to my scalp. So right here you see me just kind of lifting my hair from my scalp, and then you'll see me flip my hair around because I'm just trying to avoid as much flatness as possible. Like, I hate it, so I'm just trying to combat it in any way. Now it's time for my favorite part, the baby hairs. So I feel like in every video I explain exactly how I do it, so I'm gonna just be quiet and let y'all listen to the music and just watch me do it. Okay, y'all, so now I have my wet results looking real cute. And I'm going to be back with the dry results soon. I don't know how long. Can you see it? Can you see it?
So it looks really good. It looks really, really good. I don't know what the format of this video is going to be. I don't know if it's going to be a review. I don't know if it's just going to be a tutorial. I got to figure it out when I'm editing. But I think I'm going to have a separate review up now that I think about it. I might just have a separate review up. But I like this. I like it. I'm going to give y'all a quick little review while we sitting here. This, I really liked it. I don't know if you could tell. But it's a thicker product. Much thicker than what I thought it was going to be. I tested it on my hand to see how thick I thought it was going to be. And it was a lot thinner, I guess you could say, while doing that compared to actually putting it in my hair. This is so much thicker than what I thought for my hair, in my personal opinion. You know, it's different for everybody. It was almost as thick as this, to be honest. Like the slightest bit less thicker. This could have almost been a styler on its own, but you know, yeah. I just want to say that real quick, but y'all will see my dry results in just a second. So hold up.
Okay, you guys, so this is the final product of doing my wash and go, featuring this SheaMoisture Coconut Custard Make It Last Wash and Go Curl Primer. This is the final product. As you can see, my hair is super defined. It has frizz, obviously. It's natural hair, it's going to have frizz, but it still looks really good. Now my hair always has more frizz. It always has more frizz than what I think it has, so it's just my hair. But yeah, oh, I didn't even hold up, I didn't have it focused on me. But yeah, this is my hair. Look at the definition. Look at the definition. Look at it. It looks so good. And you know what, I can tell why it's called the Make It Last Wash and Go, because I feel like this is gonna last. The definition is gonna last. And yeah, this is the final product. I'm just super happy with how it came out. Like, it looks so freaking good. So if you want to hear my full review over this product, just stay tuned, because my very next video is going to be just a whole review, just, you know, all of my thoughts and opinions. And if you want to see the actual unboxing, again, like a formal unboxing of me unboxing that's from my influencer box, then you can choose the video, you know, that'll be on the annotation, and it'll be up there. You know, you can click it, you'll click it, and it's the video right before this one, so just click those to get caught up on what's been going on. I don't know, I just really like the way I look. Like, I just really like the way I look. I look good. I look good. So yeah, you guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, share it with a friend. Remember to check out the video before and after this one, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget that I'm on the road to 200, and I want to get there. And if you see this, just click the subscribe button, because I know you like me, I know you like my hair, I know you think it came out bomb, I know you like my personality. Subscribe, period. Like, period. Subscribe. But yeah, subscribe. I'm going to see you in my next video, y'all. Bye.